Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we'll be making these homemade watercolor gift tags. This is a great personal touch for any present that you give this holiday season. For the first part of this project, you're just going to need paper, some watercolor paint, a pencil, and cookie cutters or stencils. For the first part of this project, you're going to use the watercolor paint and paint any design or any color that you want on your paper. For this design, I was inspired by candy canes, so I just did some red and white stripes. For my second design, I just did another simple painting, which was just some red and green stripes. For my last design, I did red and green dollops on the paper. I'll be using these gift tags with presents that I give this Christmas, so that's why I chose red and green paints for my designs. If you're doing this for a different celebration, you can use whatever color that you'd like. Here's what my papers looked like once my paint was dry. For the next part of this project, you're going to need your paper that has your design, a pencil, and cookie cutters or a stencil. You can always free draw as well, but I just find it easier to trace. I placed these cookie cutters on the paper in no particular order, but if you wanted to be a bit more thoughtful in your design, you could definitely plan out where you're placing these cookie cutters or stencils. Once you're all done tracing, then it's time to cut out your shapes. Here's how my shapes turned out. You can be done here or stick around to see how you can add more detail to these gift tags. With a marker, I just wrote to and from and some holiday messages, and I'll be using these gift tags on boxes and presents. If you want gift tags for any bags, then you're going to need ribbon, scissors, a hole punch, and a marker for this next step. Use the hole punch to create one hole at the top of your gift tag. Next, take some ribbon and loop it through the hole to create your gift tag. These gift tags are a perfect way to personalize any gift that you give this holiday season.